Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Apollo for syncing LinkedIn outreach with leads. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Apollo website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Apollo dashboard. Next, head to the top menu and select the Integrations tab. In the Integrations section, look for LinkedIn and click on it. You will be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account to Apollo. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration. You will need to log into your LinkedIn account if you're not already signed in. Authorize Apollo to access your LinkedIn information. After successful authorization, return to the Apollo dashboard. Now, navigate to the Leads section in the menu. Here, you can import your LinkedIn contacts or leads into Apollo. Choose the option to import leads from LinkedIn. Select the specific leads you wish to sync with Apollo. Confirm the selection by clicking the Import button. Once your leads are imported, you can organize them into lists or campaigns. Explore the outreach options available to connect with your leads effectively. You can now track interactions and engagement metrics with your leads. For further customization, check settings to adjust sync preferences. Regularly monitor your dashboard for updates on your outreach progress. This streamlined process will enhance your LinkedIn outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.